Here we go. These are the last two cases that Round 2 had sent me for the Auto World brand. And it's a 2018 Release 2 A assortment. They're both the A assortment. I did not, I looked around. I don't believe I ever got the B assortment. Don't know why. Thanks to Round 2 for sending these for review. This is old. This is an old case. I did have to stop doing the unboxing videos on race grooves a year ago. Things were changing and things are still changing. So race grooves stopped the unboxing videos. Not only that, you know, race grooves is not necessarily going to be collectibles. Just the whole race grooves is changing. It just has to change. YouTube's changing. I got to change. So even though they were sending me for these to review, I really don't have the time to review them, and that's why I told them last year that I had to stop. The Auto World are beautiful cars. Check it out, 1/64 scale, true 1/64 scale. And I had measured one before, and it was true. It is an actual true 1/64 scale. This had a 2500 produced. Version A, I will not have the B version to show you, but we will open the other case. Who knows? We might get an ultra red or a raw. Those are the chase pieces for the Auto World line. Here you have vintage. Did I say the name of the car? Just in case. 1970 Chevy Impala. You get a little collectible box, just like the Tomica. You get your box, and on the side, 1970 Chevy Impala. And I'm looking on the back. I don't see information specifically talking about the chase piece. But anyways, ultra reds and raws, that's what they do. Nice color combination, black, red, and white wall tires for the 1961 Dodge Dart Phoenix. Rubber tires. You can all see all the silver trim, right? There's your license plate. I don't know. I won't be opening these. I'm going to keep them in the package so that the next collector gets it in the package. They can decide what they want to do. Headlights. This one had an opening. It looks like an opening hood, I do believe. White. It has a two-tone. It has a white roof. This one does not have a white roof, but it does have pinstriping. Now this has all sorts of details as well. Look at the trim around the window, right? They want to make it look as realistic as possible. That's what the Auto World brand is for. And they do have license plates. Let's see, what do we have next? Looks blue, pretty dark navy blue, royal navy blue, I guess. So far, 2,500 is the production quantity of the first three. Love these wheels. They look fantastic. Sometimes they can be a little wonky. They might be a little off-center, but this time those look pretty good. 1966 Chevy Chevelle SS 396. True 1/64 scale. I like on the Johnny Lightning packages how they talk about the factory colors and stuff like that. I'm not knocking this brand, I'm just saying. Oh yeah, this is absolutely one of my favorite cars to collect. 1972 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Looks very good. I like the 69, 70, 71. This is 1972 Mach 1. Silver trim on the windows. It does look like it has a separate piece for the spoiler in the back. A little hard to see. And the wheels, Firestone wheels. Rubber tires, opening hood. I'm not positive this one's going to find another owner. I'm just telling you. Nice details. Let's see. There you have a 1976 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. There is your Flaming Chicken. I forgot what they called it. I think it's Flaming Chicken. Limited again, 2,500 pieces. Looks great with the card art too. What color is this? Pea soup green. I don't know what color you would call this. You have the 1973 Dodge Challenger. Auto World, this is their brand. They own the Auto World brand. Check it out. New tool, first use of the flat hood. So what have they been using before? This one has got textures here, but yeah, I guess it has it there. I wonder, I don't memorize every car, every release. What did it have before? Shaker hood? I'm not sure. Green interior, dark green. Thin white wall tires. Does have printing on the rear. And in the front, let's go ahead and, what else was I going to check? Let me just make sure there was no other new tool designation that I missed. A glance over, and nope, I didn't miss any others. That was the only one. So these are going to be the same sticks, but it would be very cool if I got a chase piece. I never get a chase piece in the Auto World or the Racing Champions mint lines. I got a few white lightnings over the 2.5 years that I was doing the unboxing videos. Looking for ultra red or raw, and it's not likely. At a glance, it does not look like I got an ultra red or a raw. This is silver. This is not a raw. Raws are super limited. What, 100 pieces? I forget the exact number. We're just moving. Ain't no waste. Let's just do it. You already know the cars. Anyways, no chase piece, but still beautiful cars. Thanks again to Round 2 for providing the cars for 2.5 years. I just couldn't do it anymore, but I still had to do this because I still owed them some unboxing videos. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting. Bye-bye.